sobrang excited po ako na to record the song. And actually, me and my producer, Tito Ito, got to also fix up some lyrics.
Good evening, RAWR Nation. I'm Richard Paglikawan and we have here Showbiz Royalty Sam Cruz. Kumusta, Sam?
Okay naman po. Hello to RAWR Nation and hello po to Richard. So I'm so happy to be here.
So, kumusta yung buhay mo ngayong lockdown? Lockdown pa rin.
Opo, lockdown pa rin. Pero going well naman po. All of us, we still have work and kakatapos ko lang po sa schooling and it's our summer break. So ayan po, okay lang naman po.
And 2 weeks ago, ni-launch ka as part of the Squad Plus, sa batch ng mga singers. So, matanong ko lang, ever since ba plan mo na mag-showbiz?
Yes po, ever since I was little po talaga, I was always very interested in my parents' work. Palagi po ko pong nakikita sila sa TV and in billboards. So I was always interested in following their footsteps kasi I'm a singer myself din po. And ever since, like, nagja-jamming po kami as a family with my sisters and my mom. So ayun po, I've always been interested in joining showbiz din po.
Pero growing up ba, talagang aware ka na sikat yung parents mo or parang yung clan mo na lang mismo, talagang aware ka ba?
Opo, ever since I was little, aware na po ako kasi example kung nasa mall po kami, may bigla pong tao that they're asked for pictures from my parents. So I was like, that's the moment where I realized that, oh, famous pala po yung parents. So yeah, there's a lot of pressure put towards me kasi I came from a family of amazing actors and singers. In my mom's side, the Cruzes po, lahat po sila kumakanta. And my mom as well, actually, she's a singer as well, not just an actress. So, ayun po, there's pressure, but I'm very excited to follow in her footsteps.
And eto na nga, may bago ka ni-release na song na Train of Thought. Ilang beses ko siyang pinakinggan last night and ang dami kong tanong actually, especially sa lyrics. But first, kwentuhan mo naman kami about this song, paano nabuo, sino naglapat ng lyrics, paano napunta sa'yo, yung melody, and ito ba yung genre na gusto mo?
Yes po, okay. So, I actually, the first time na napakinggan ko po yung song was, I think, almost, a year ago po. Tapos, once I heard it po, it was written by an amazing artist herself, Julia, under RAWR din po. And once I heard it, sobrang na-in-love na po talaga ako kasi it's in my genre. The song is in my genre and it's something I would actually listen to myself. Kaya sobrang excited po ako na to record the song. And actually, me and my producer, Tito Ito, got to also fix up some lyrics to make it more for my liking po. So it's a bit more personal. And ayan po, it all came together and I was so happy with the outcome of the song.
Kasi sabi ko, for a young Sam, parang ang lalim naman ang iniisip dun sa Train of Thought. So, ikaw personally, ano iniisip mo with the song?
The song for me, kasi what I love most about it is nakaka-relate po talaga yung kanta sa lahat, especially people my age. Kasi di ba teenager po ako, 16. Everyone has crushes, everyone has their special someone. And obviously, when you see that special someone, you lose yourself talaga. And that's what makes you lose your train of thought. And what I love about this song is it doesn't have to be a person that makes you lose your train of thought. It could be something you love. Something as simple as a jar of Nutella could make you lose your train of thought po. Or food, anything po. Kaya that's what I love most about the song.
And your music is R&B and pop mix.
Yes po.
So, sino mga influences mo in this genre?
In the genre, I love listening to Ariana Grande kasi I love po na she tries out new things, and also Rihanna, Alicia Keys, SZA, different artists really inspire me, and I love their genre po talaga.
Pero paano ka nahilig sa genre na to? Growing up ba, ito na talaga yung parang nagustuhan especially ng tenga mo, ganyan?
Opo, growing up po talaga, I would listen to a lot of like pop-ish songs, even Taylor Swift po. And sobrang na-in-love na po talaga ako when I heard Ariana Grande kasi I was a super fan dati pa po. And that's probably where I get most of my inspiration from Ariana Grande. But actually growing up, we would listen to like songs like Bee Gees, Eraserheads, different genres din po. Pero na-in-love talaga po ako sa pop and R&B kasi hindi po talaga nakakasawa. And kahit paulit-ulit din po.
So what's your song of the moment?
Song of the moment, recently, I've been listening to More Than a Woman by the Bee Gees. Nakaka-good vibes po kasi.
Ibang-iba naman na.
Ibang-iba po talaga yung vibe. Pero when it comes to pop, probably Levitating by Dua Lipa. Opo.
Pwede bang humingi ng sample? Kasi favorite ko rin yan.
Levitating?
Yes, of course.
Okay. Sige po. You, moonlight, you're my starlight. I want you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'll levitating. Ayan po.
Wow, thank you. Pero ito
Thank you po.
actually may kakasign mo lang with Universal Records, no?
Yes po.
So paano ka napunta with
Actually, hindi po.
Universal?
I signed with them po about 2 years ago. 2 years ago na po ata. And then, once I turned 15, that's when my mom told me I'm ready na to release my own songs, to join showbiz, and pursue my music. So, ayan po, my mom helped me with it, and sobrang happy that I got to have this opportunity to express myself to the world with my music. Ayan po.
Pero kumusta yung yung working mo so far with Universal Records?
Sobrang masaya po and easy to work with kasi they actually also push me to write my own songs, and if ever I don't like a particular thing, they make sure that I'm comfortable with whatever I'm doing. So I'm really happy with Universal Records po.
Regarding writing songs, soon ba or sooner maririnig ba namin yung own composition mo?
Soon po kasi at the moment I'm just trying different genres, writing songs, and hopefully in the future I will be releasing my own written songs. Pero yes po, I'll be having more songs released under RAWR, and so abangan niyo po yan.
Pero how do you want to convey your music to your generation and to you and to your followers?
To everyone that supports me, I'd love them to relate to my songs and for my music to have a certain vibe. Like I'd like them to really like the song, not just for the melody but for the lyrics, and nakaka-relate, nakaka-good vibes. I'd like them to really appreciate my music in a certain way na they would share it to the people they love.
And tuloy-tuloy pa rin pala yung schooling mo. So,
Yes po.
anong grade ka na ba? And how do you balance schooling and showbiz?
I'm actually incoming grade 11 na po, so senior high. Recently lang po I moved up. I graduated junior high school. So ayan po. It's actually for me, it's pretty easy na po to balance both work and school kasi it's online. So all I have to know about is time management. And honestly, kasi palagi pong sinasabi ng mom ko na education always comes first, school always comes first. Sobrang importante po yung education. So if ever in case like same day po ng work and school, I have to put school always first. So I could always reschedule naman po work, pero I really have to put first my studies.
Okay, so yung next natin na 10 questions we need to know, medyo based siya dun sa fast talk ni Tito Boy. Pero
Okay
mga random questions siya. Pinili lang namin yung 10 na bagay sa'yo, tapos sagutin mo lang siya. Then,
Okay.
let me know kung gusto mong i-expound or okay na yan. So, first question is, who's your closest sibling?
Oh, that's hard. Okay. At the moment, probably Cheska. Kasi, depende po talaga kung who I talk to the most. Like, example, kung nag-aaway po kami ni Ate Butching, Ate Angelina, edi mas close po ako kay Cheska. Or kung nag-aaway po kami ni Cheska, di Ate Angelina po.
Who's your showbiz crush?
Papa P.
Sa age mo naman muna.
Iska age ko po. Probably James and Blake po or Enrique Hill.
What's your sport?
Badminton's my favorite.
What do you like doing in your spare time?
Learning the guitar or singing.
How would someone get your special attention?
With a smile.
Smile lang talaga? When's the last time na pinagalitan ka ng mom mo and why?
Recently, for like small things lang po. Probably like when I steal her clothes. Kasi same size lang po kami. So we borrow each other's clothes. Pero if I just use it without permission, then nagagalit po siya.
What's your biggest pet peeve?
When people go in my room, tapos they leave the door open when they leave. Like, I hate that so much.
Your favorite superhero?
Batman.
What's the most useless talent you have?
I could touch my tongue to my nose.
Oh my God!
Opo.
Grabe. What's the dumbest way you've been injured?
I was hoverboarding. Yung parang, hindi naman po scooter, pero yung parang hoverboard. Tapos I fell and I got like, dami ko pong sugat like everywhere. Probably that.
Pero anong sabi ni mom mo nung nangyari yun?
Nagalit po siya. Sabi niya po sa akin na bawal na po ako mag-hoverboard.
Pagbabawalan ka talaga.
Opo.
And eto na, usapang mom, katatapos lang ng Mother's Day. We know how much you love your mom. So, pwede ka bang mag-share ng best moment mo with her na masasabi mong she's really the best?
Probably, there are a lot of countless moments with her. Pero maybe recently po, when actually we just went to a beach trip and sinamahan niya po yung aso namin, yung chihuahua po namin. So super cute. It was a fun trip and we had the best bonding moments with her na we were just sitting down eating, or the fact that sobrang supportive niya po sa akin, especially with my new song na just released, Train of Thought. She would repost like all of the promotional posters just to support me. So she's the best po talaga. Very supportive and loving. Ayan po.
And syempre, malapit na rin yung Father's Day. So, kwentuhan mo naman kami ng best moment mo with your dad.
Best moment, probably, kasi nagja-jamming po kami dati. So, nagigitara po siya and we would write different songs with him together. So, yeah, those are probably one of the best moments with him. and it never leaves my mind po.
Pero regarding kay Cesar kasi, alam naman natin din na kumakanta rin siya. So,
Yes po.
ano ba yung parang naging reaction niya for you joining music?
Actually, recently po, nung nag-recording po ako sa ABS-CBN, may nakita po akong poster ng dad ko. So, pinicturean ko po siya, tapos sinend ko po sa kanya. And sobrang excited na po siya sa akin that I'm finally following in his footsteps and I'm starting to record my own music kasi ever since po talaga, he's the one that helped me like try to play the guitar, learn to play guitar, and he's the one that really dragged us all into music and in loving music po. So, nakaka-excite po talaga na he's proud of me.
And on Twitter, we asked yesterday ng mga pwede naming itanong sa'yo from your fans at ito yung mga yon. So, eto galing kay Katniel Things. Hello, Ate Sam Cruz. How do you handle those manyakis na umaatake mostly sa'yo at mga kapatid mo? And can you please give a piece of advice for those women na until now hindi makapag-open up about sa ganito nangyayari sa kanila just because takot sila? Thank you po.
Thank you po for the question. For all of the women that are just not afraid to be confident in their own bodies and just wear whatever they want. Kasi parang it's not even the women's fault or their fault for dressing a certain way. You never know, they just want to wear those certain types of clothes just to feel confident, just because they look cute. It's never for the men. And I feel like we really need to cut off that mindset, that manyakis mindset that we're just wearing these sexy clothes just to please men. It's really not. We look good in it and we want to flaunt it. And I feel like those women that has never got their justice yet for those men sexualizing them really deserve to speak out. You never feel afraid to speak out. And what you think, you just speak out. If it's wrong, don't let it slide po. Kasi that's when the men think it's okay to do that. But it's really not. Ayan po, like my mom has always been telling me to fight for what's right. And if something's not right, we should do something about it. Po.
And hello, it's 2021, ma'am.
Yes, it's 2021. Let us wear whatever we want and feel confident in our clothes.
And another one from, Hi Sam, this is Juice. My easy question for you is, how was your short vacation with your sisters and mom? Rate it 1 to 10, 1 over 10 or 1 to 10? Lovely.
Thank you for the question. The short vacation with my mom was so fun. We just came back home yesterday po. Tapos dinala po namin yung aso. Like aso namin, yung paboritong chihuahua ng mom ko, si Sparkle. So sobrang masaya po yung trip at ang cute kasi pet friendly po yung place. So marami pong mga aso just roaming around at sobrang lambing po nila. And it was so fun. If I rate it from 1 to 10, it would be a 10.
Okay, so, and another one, hello Sam, from Professor0101. Hello Sam, what is your favorite moment of your life? Ang haba pala nitong yan. Ang haba ng pamimilian mo.
Yeah, marami pong mga favorite moments talaga in my whole life. Pero one favorite moment, if I had to pick po talaga, would be our Japan trip together as a family. Kasi ang ganda-ganda po ng Japan. Like the weather, the places we went to, it's unforgettable. And I feel like it wouldn't be the same without the company I had. Kasi sobrang saya po with my sisters and going around and trying different food, seeing the culture there. So ayun po, probably in Japan.
So eto na nga, Sam, nag-launch ka na ng new music. So ano pa ba yung dapat naming abangan for the rest of 2021?
For the rest of 2021, abangan niyo po different new projects because I have a group as well, Squad Plus under Star Magic. And on ASAP, you could see me there with New Breed. I'll be performing as well. And of course, more songs to come under Universal Records, which I'm very, very excited about.
Ikaw, Sam, syempre starting ka pa lang sa showbiz. If ikaw yung masusunod, kaninong path or kaninong peg yung gusto mong tahakin and why? Kung may
Probably
ipepeg
po,
ka among local showbiz personalities.
um, probably well, besides my mom, kasi I'd probably think of a celebrity that does both singing and acting. Probably si Ate Sarah Geronimo kasi she does both singing and acting, but she puts forward her singing. And that's probably something I want to do kasi I'm not afraid to try new things, like acting and hosting, pero I really want to put forward my music kasi I have such a strong passion for music and singing po.
And also, marami kasi nagtatanong, you have the height, you're still young pa, you have the face, you have the talent. So, pinangarap mo rin ba na mag-beauty queen?
Actually, when I was little po, I was very interested in beauty pageants and maging beauty queen in Miss Universe. Maybe in the future po, kasi because it's really hard work po eh. But if I had the opportunity to ever join beauty pageants, I would. It looks very fun and interesting din po.
Pero, hindi ba in the near future?
Hindi pa po. I'm gonna focus right now on acting and singing. Pero I would love to also do that. I would love to try doing that then po to represent my country or my city and do beauty pageants because it looks very interesting as well po.
So, thank you, Sam, for the time. Actually, mabilis lang to. So,
Yes,
thank you for the time and I hope you enjoyed our conversation here.
Yeah,
So,
thank you. Hello, RAWR Nation. I am Sam Cruz and you're watching Lionheart TV. RAWR!